An emergency delivery for a surprise birthday party across town in under 10 minutes? Piece of cake. See what I did there? Hello? Every surprise party needs a cake. Don't worry, Tommy. Sweet Justice always delivers. Now, if you move your rook here, put your pawn here, move your bishop over here, knight here, and the pawn here, and pawn here, and then the queen, and checkmate.
I win! You owe me $20.
Hey, can I have, like, a burrito, or maybe 3 burritos, or... Ooh, 10 burritos, that's it. 1,000 burritos really hits the spot. Thanks, mister. Just put it on Barry's tab.
Who's Barry?
Playground, spring riders, monkey bars, my personal favorite, swings. Let's do this. Could you hold this for a sec? Thanks, kid. Oh no! Oh no 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 no! I got this. That was close. The king!
Thank you, Flash.
No problem. Hold it tight. Oh, shoot! Gotta go! There it is, with 30 seconds to spare.
Hello? Could you help me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Here you are, ma'am. Safely across the street.
Across the street? I just wanted the time.
The time!
You made it, just in time.
Sure did. Sweet Justice always delivers. Oh. Surprise.